All right, good afternoon, prudent speculators. This is Trader Rod. We always start with our disclaimer. Just want to remind everybody that these broadcasts are for educational purposes only. Nothing is a solicitation to buy or sell any security. Please go to vptlive.com/notices for more information about our risk disclosures and disclaimers. Okay, what I wanted to do tonight is talk about just two new positions in the 25 challenge, what we're also going to be calling the VPT Options Insider program going forward. And the first one is in TLT. Here's TLT. As you can see here, let me just mark this up a little bit. TLT down 1.4%, down right here to, I just drew in this horizontal line here. You can see prior resistance potentially becomes support. Now the time between tests, this is way back in the May timeframe, so that's back in May. Of course, we are out here in October, time that's just, often dangerous for stocks, and it's looking like everyone is positioning for this this raise in interest rates if and when it ever comes. Unlikely in November, but Dudley can't keep his mouth shut. So anyway, took an opportunity, and I'll look at that in just a moment. So that's the first position. Those are the October TLT calls. I'll show you the exact position in just a moment. And then the next is also another week one here on the IBB. So trend line here, it did get violated here where we broke below it. Nice triple bottoms that you can see around 245s. Drew the trend line this way and we just landed right on it. There's a lot of room to fall here without a doubt. Again, there are some significant headwinds for a lot of these biotechs right now, but this is the area that's going to give you a lot of beta. So when it pops quickly, and we'll talk about that position as well. And then the final is Bank of America. Bank of America reports long the stock and long options. It reports on Monday after we had some positive earnings or decent reactions to most of the bank earnings today on Friday. So we get to the weekend, a little bit of decay, and then we'll see how BAC comes out. We started the day with 15 contracts that we picked up at $20. We had a absolute double in those. Absolute double. All right, let's look at them in the portfolio here and take a quick look. So Bank of America, we now have 5. You can see our cost basis there is 20 bucks. We sold some today at $41 a contract, so that was a double. That's our gains right there, as you can see. So we started the day with 15, we now have 1. IBB, just a single contract, $4.50. These are the 280 calls. Remember we took a look at that IBB that's down there around 265, certainly has room to fall to 245 structure-wise, but any positive news, these are out in November. Again, we got 36 calendar days, at least probably 28 trading days. Maybe I did the math wrong. Let's just call it 25 trading days. And when this wakes up, it is no problem for this to move 5 to 10% higher in a week here. So the 280 calls, November 280 calls, and the November 135 calls on TLT. Picked up 5. There's price improvement on these because I got in initially at $1. The signal went out a little late. I know a number of people said they picked them up at about 90 cents. You can see they closed at 85. I was actually bidding today at $75 a contract. Did not get filled. It closed at 78 by 83. So Bank of America, IBB, TLT, all calls. Markets a little mixed today. They gave back all of the gains on the S&P. On the futures, we closed on the futures ES contract at 21.26. Those that follow along with the VPT live trade room, you know that we're trading futures in there, and we'll use those futures for some levels to watch for some of our options trades as well. Bottom of this page, wherever you're watching it, you can sign up to get notified about every time that we broadcast here. You can do that by following us on Ticker TV or below this forum, below this video. Please make sure to pop in your email and get on our list so that you're aware of the updates that we do. We do these for free, and then of course we'd love for you to try us out as a VPT Options Insider and get all these trades in real time if you'd like as well. Very small account, about $3 grand. We started it with 2,500. I took 500 out, so we're up nicely, almost $1,000, about 35% so far for the month. And we trade directionally only, and this is meant for folks that have a smaller account that they're looking to grow and learn how to trade directional options. All right, we'll leave it there for now. This is Trader Rod with VPT Live, reminding you always trade like you mean it. We will see you at the next trade update. Take care.